Hello everyone. So every year my peonies, they grow in, and I always cut a few of them and bring them inside and put them in a big tall vase, or I cut them up and I put them in a low jar, or I put some in the bathroom and some in the kitchen, and I love them. They do not last very long indoors, but they don't last very long outside either, and they are in full bloom right now. I just absolutely love them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim some off here, and then I'm going to bring them indoors and show you how I arrange them. I do like to keep some of the leaves from the peonies and then repurpose them into my arrangement. I also will steal some little branches from my lavender tree. So yeah, there's a little bit of a different DIY, but I thought I'd share with you how I incorporate Dollar Tree material into it, and the little, what is it called? The little tin, the flowers and garden tin that's from the Dollar Tree, and the floral sponge stuff, and also some faux flowers from the Dollar Tree, because then that kind of finishes off the look that I'm going for. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. If you like DIYs, if you like shop with me's, Dollar Tree hauls, definitely hit that subscribe button so you're notified of posts that I put on the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm just going to wet this floral foam stuff. First, I'm going to just sit it in the sink actually so it can absorb some water, and that will make it, I think, easier for putting the flowers in and keeping them alive. So I'm going to just cut the floral foam in shapes that will actually fit right into this little tin container from the Dollar Tree. This material so far is from the Dollar Tree, just to give you a heads up. The peonies are obviously from my garden, and then the faux pink flowers I'm going to use are also from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, this is super easy to cut up and place in here. And I added some water, and the tin, actually I'm very surprised to not have any openings for it to leak. So what I like to do is pull off the bottom parts of the leaves, or the leaves that are on the bottom, because I'm cutting these a bit shorter, of course, since the tin is a shallow tin, and I'm going to repurpose those leaves back in, so I add a little more greenery to the arrangement. So just find the length that you prefer, and then you just poke them right into the foam. You can have them standing up straight, you can have them kind of on an incline, whatever suits your needs. And then I even have some of these that are not opened yet that were kind of falling off to the side, so I'm repurposing them as well and kind of stuffing them in here. Now the faux floral is from the Dollar Tree, and it's super easy to cut with a pair of scissors, pliers, or even bending them back and forth, and then you'll get a nice snap. The wire is super fragile and very thin, so it's very easy to manipulate and snap them off. As you can see, I'll put some taller peonies in the back, and then some shorter peonies in the front. You want to have more height on the back. Wherever you are placing your arrangement, you can add if it's going in the center of a table, then don't worry about it. It can all be in one height. But what I'm doing is I'm putting it on a dining room table. It's kind of like a little centerpiece, but I have other little jars and I guess like decor on the table, so I'd like the back peonies to be a little bit more propped up and higher on the back, and then the arrangement to come down a little bit in height. Not a huge difference. You'll see that it's very subtle. And here are the pink faux flowers that look amazing in this arrangement, just to add a little color. I do not like the fluorescent green leaves, so make sure you're not using them, because then you look at it a little bit strange and go, is that real or fake arrangement? But the pink flowers, they look so real. So I'm really happy with how they kind of fit right in here. You can use 1 or 2, 3, whatever you'd like. And then see, I'm using the lavender stems that I picked off the tree, a couple just lavender stems to give some height again on the back and change a little bit of that greenery. So again, if you have different greenery in your yard or access to it, pick a couple and see what works for you, because I think greenery just adds a little character to this arrangement. Then you just pop your pink ones in, and this is pretty easy to make. You just kind of play around. If you don't like something, move it around. Super easy. See, again, so you can cut these as I'm showing you here, or you can just bend them back and forth and it will snap super easy. And there you go. And I wanted to share with you how I put it in the tin and how I decorated it on my table. And also I used a giant glass vase and decorated a bunch more and put them in my dining room. So here's the one arrangement. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it inspires you to pick a couple flowers or make a little arrangement just to cheer your day up. And until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.